guys, in my last video I showed you the unboxing of this amazing keyboard combo Pebble 2, and it got this amazing shade. But apart from that, the features, if you see, as you know, you can like connect 3 devices at a time here and easily switch between those. But in addition to that, there's also this feature Logi Options Plus that comes with this brand. It's not just for this combo but literally for all the items in Logitech. They use this app. You can set this app up and you can add shortcuts like for these function keys. If you don't want to like use the default earphone, you have the options. You can just go to this app and set it up so that you don't have to like reach your keyboard every time to access this and whatever. Usually my office setup is like a monitor will be on this left side and this laptop on the side, and it really kind of pissed me whenever I was using this keyboard. I have to like go and reach for this thing. So I'm just gonna go and right now set all those shortcuts right here. But now for demo for you guys, I'm going to show you how to just set it up. So let's see. Okay, it's done. Let's open. So we have done setting this up successfully, and in the start of the app you will be able to view this if you have connected your keyboard and mouse. So if you are not, you can just go here, add device, go to the Bluetooth and add the device, and you will automatically see the device listed here. It can actually make sure which model is this, and it can give you the customization as per that. If you see, this mouse just has this middle button, so you can see here we have this middle button options and point and scroll customization right here. So if you go to this, it's this app is nothing but just click on this middle button and you will see different actions right here. You have this AI actions, smart actions. You can create a smart action here, so stuff like that. But that requires you to like log into the account. For me, it's not that customizable. I don't want that level of dedication for this, so I'm just gonna ignore that. And we have other actions right here, so you can just select what you want and set it for this. And moreover, if you want a customization particularly for one app, for example, here I have added this Android Studio. So when I'm inside Android Studio, I want this middle button to like a screen capture. Then I can set it for that window, save it to clipboard. So when I'm inside this app, I can just click this middle button and it will automatically take a screenshot and copy it to my clipboard, and I can paste it wherever I want. So that is this customization. If you want more applications to customize like that, you can just select here, add it all, and then now I'm gonna discard. And if you added that successfully, you will just see it here. You can select and make the customizations here. Or global is this first one. You can select the global thing and you can go with this. Similarly, point and scroll, everything is like you can customize it for one application or just you can have it for global. So set one global stuff and then you can customize it for a particular app. So here in this global, the speed is 60, and let's say I want the speed to be inside my books. Inside my books, I want the speed to be like, what is this, 70. So when I'm inside books app, my scroll speed will be 70. So this is easy switch. The 3 devices that you are connected to, you can view that right here, and here you can flow. My stuff doesn't involve 2 laptops, so I don't want this Logi Flow. But if you like navigate between 2 devices, you can set up this flow. And here you have the general settings, and if you're like a left-handed and you want this swap between the left and right buttons, that is right as left and left as right, you can toggle that button right here and you can access that. So coming back to our keyboard. What's wrong with this? Okay, sorry, I toggle that. Okay, so now coming back to our keyboard, here we have keys. You can like customize from this to this keys you can customize. And here the settings. Inside settings, if you see, as you guys know, generally there's like function keys, like basic function standard function keys. To access the function keys, you'll be like using this function plus that key. Now I clicked F11. But apart from that, we have max shortcut keys. That is for F11. Generally, if you click, you will be able to like decrease the volume with that F11 key. So with this, here in Logi, you have a different set of customizable special shortcuts. So if you just click this, let's say this F8 will be different from that and whatever. So the use for this is you can just customize these shortcuts right here. So if you want to just use the native F1 buttons just without function keys, you can just toggle this so that your function keys will be directly accessible. And if you want to access the special keys, you have to access it with the function keys. So that's the point here. So I'm just gonna leave it untoggled. Sorry. With this option, it will be easy for me. I just have to access the function keys. I will use with my function combination, and without that I can just use the special keys just as it is, without having to use the F1 every time. So to like customize this special function keys, we are going to set it up right here. I guess I am clear about this. I hope you guys can understand whatever. So first, if you could just click on key and you can select whatever option you want here, and you can also like create smart actions like I said, or keyboard shortcut. We have an option here. You can just I can just click like TGH like that. I'm sorry, it's a combination, so we'll have it like together. If you click, it will like give, for example, sorry, it combinations only. So command C, so command B. With this you can add like stuff. So basic combinations that's given, you can type here and it will automatically take that combination. So next time when you click this button right here, that copy will be done. So that's it guys. And similarly, you can also customize it for particular applications right here. Select one application and customize the keys for that. When you're inside Xcode and you want this set of function keys, that is to go between the before file, whatever, I'm not sure if those are here, but you can just select and explore what are the stuff there and you can add it. So that's it. So the next time I'm just gonna add all my shortcuts and I'm gonna use it, because this work is like a total chaos. I just want to be used with these keys. So how was the video guys? Let me know your reviews. And I heard that my voice is not really audible. You guys literally can't like understand what I'm talking. So I'm gonna try to be like better with that. So make sure to subscribe, and if you want more videos, make sure to leave it in the comments. I'll add those videos if I'm not too lazy. And of course, I'm planning on to post lots of like Swift development stuff. So let me know what you guys want.